Hello good people, I'm Dom, this is Dan. We're here today looking at a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 2-story, old world style mansion. Dan, what are we gonna look at today?
It's an Italianate style mansion here in Southern California. We have dual master bedrooms downstairs, a gorgeous backyard. Most importantly, we're gonna talk about what it takes to own a place like this in Southern California. We're here with CPA and financial planner Alex Efros.
What's going on, guys? Alex here from Efros Financial, and today I'm going to be touching on a few financial planning and tax points for you to keep in mind to make this the smoothest home purchase possible.
Hey guys, we're gonna show you the walk-in section of this house. It's absolutely beautiful, it's open concept. Everything's at arm's reach. Well, not so much because it's kind of big, but everything's kind of right here for you and your family. Come, let's see. So you just get home, you throw your keys to the side, you need to run to the bathroom, you make a left, you walk into this beautiful piece of modern art. You see the designs on the walls are gorgeous. You got this nice porcelain piece over here. The throne is super modern and it's water saving. And then right directly across, there's a linen closet where you can keep all the linens for this bathroom. Everything's nice and convenient. You don't need to see anybody, you don't need to hear anybody. You do your business and you go about your business.
So on the other side of the foyer, you have a beautiful staircase that takes you to the second floor where you find 2 bedrooms and a beautiful loft. We're gonna see that later. What we're gonna start with is this suite right here. Come follow me. So as we enter to this side of the house, to the suite, you're gonna find a doorway right over here. You can close that and have complete privacy in your own suite. This whole side of the house is gonna be yours. Right over here, you're gonna have plenty of storage right under the staircase. This is almost like half of a garage, plenty of room to put whatever you want right over there. Again, you can close it with a door and you're set. On my right over here is the bar area. You have plenty of closet space right up on top. You have a sink here and, of course, a refrigerator to keep all of your beverages perfectly cool. Also, follow me this way, and right over here, we're gonna see a beautiful bathroom. So this bathroom is awesome for the bedroom. Now notice you have the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. You have recessed lighting and this beautiful 2-pane window that's bringing all of this natural light into your bathroom, and it's really magical. I really like the simplicity, the rounded corners on the wall, and it's really, really well decorated. Also, take a look at the Kohler sink, Kohler throne. It's a really cool design, and obviously the cabinets are gonna match the rest of the house.
So this is one of the 2 master suites on the first floor. This one faces the front of the house and you got full view of everything going on in the front. You also have side view, tons of natural light all around. You have a walk-in closet, a 3/4 bath. You have recessed lighting and a great space for entertainment. Now, this is like an apartment in itself. You get to stay alone here and you don't even have to see anybody else in the house if you don't want to. You're fully autonomous here and you probably want to keep it that way.
Now, when you're looking into buying a home, you may come across the 28% rule, which states that you don't want to pay more than 28% of your gross monthly income towards housing costs. And that's going to include the mortgage payment, the property taxes, homeowners insurance, all those different costs. Now, while you may use that as a rule of thumb, it's much more prudent to sit down with a financial planner, go over your situation, look at the numbers, and make sure that you can support the new housing costs that are going to be inherent in purchasing your new home.
So this fantastic place is your kitchen. You have granite countertops all around. You have a huge center island that can fit the Knights of the Round Table here. You can look at your living room as well as your dining room. It's completely open concept. You get to see your outside and pool, tons of natural light, these high ceilings, all recessed lighting. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. You're gonna wanna cook here, you're gonna wanna eat here.
Look out, Richard Branson. We got a big island right over here for you. It's actually a 3-piece natural stone, beautiful island with a sink in the middle. Behind me, you have the Wolf appliance package. You have an oven here. Beautiful accents with the red, as well as an oven down here, accent with the blue inside. Right over here is your Sub-Zero refrigerator and your freezer. It's gorgeous, it's spacious. You need a Sub-Zero in your kitchen. And right here is your Wolf microwave. We also have upgraded fixtures by Kohler, and you can see that we have a 6-burner grill cooktop right over here, and it's Wolf as well. I really like this kitchen. I can do a lot of cooking here, And at the same time, my other chef can be cooking in the chef's kitchen. This prep kitchen is huge. Obviously, you can have plenty of counter space. These cabinets match the rest of the house and they're soft close as well. And look at this, you have a sink right next to a window, and this is my favorite. You have all this natural light coming in while you're doing the dishes, while you're prepping chicken, while you're making beef. This is perfect. Also, fur burner cooktop, perfect. It's also wolf. You can see the accents here. You have a custom hood right in here, and on my right is your walk-in pantry. Let's check it out. Oversized walk-in pantry, here we are. Shelves on shelves on shelves. You guys have so much storage space. You can actually put glass doors on these if you want. You can add lighting. This is a perfect pantry.
So that brings you to the washroom. Beautiful Whirlpool washer dryer. We have natural stone on the countertops. We have storage below and above, and that leads you out to your garage. So you could stop off from your garage into the washroom. Anything dirty, muddy boots, any kind of dirty jackets, you could just leave it here, put it straight in the wash, and everything's set. It doesn't need to go past here. Now looking upon the living room, we have coffered ceilings, we have recessed lighting, we have an entertainment section that's beautiful for entertaining and hosting. We have surround sound speakers up top, so everything comes in nice and clear. All the space you need for couches, love seats, etc. You can go outside, you can hang out there. There's a nice shaded space for that, as well as a pool and a jacuzzi. This is all for the taking, my friends. So this living room brings you to your second master suite. It's gorgeous. Come, we'll take a look. So now this master suite is special because it's at the back of the house. There's a little more privacy. You get access to the yard, access to the pool. You have your own full bath. You have your own walk-in closet. You have high ceilings. You have beautiful chandeliers. A nice entertainment center with a full fireplace. All the natural lighting you're gonna need. It keeps it nice and light in here all day long. And then at night, you can just close the curtains and be cozy. So this bathroom, this master bathroom, is right beside the second master suite. It's beautiful, it's bright, it's spacious. This soak-in bath is right next to this open concept window with tons of natural light. We have a his and hers sink with natural stone countertops, and all of this leads you into your walk-in closet. But before I go there, I want to show you that you have your own private throne area, so you can stay out of sight, out of mind from anybody else in here, and as out of sight, out of mind from anybody else in the bedroom as well. This is a nice little oasis away from everything else. It's beautiful, it's private, it's serenity. So this walk-in closet isn't as straightforward as most walk-in closets. There's a lot of accents in here which make it special. This carpet is an option. All of this shelving are an option. The recessed lighting comes standard, but it's still beautiful. We also have LEDs surrounding the perimeter of the walk-in closet to keep it nice and bright and to make sure that you see yourself the same way the world sees you.
Enlightenment is optional, but living here is absolutely mandatory. Why? Because you have your own outdoor bathtub. That's right, stone outdoor bathtub with the stone backsplash amongst your greenery in your side courtyard. Absolutely amazing. Also, right after you come out of your bathtub or after you come out of the pool, you come right here for your outdoor shower. This is perfect because you can get to rinse off and get all of the chlorine off of you before you actually enter your house. Now, there's plenty more room here to do some gardening. You can plant bamboo and make this an even more zen space that you and your family could really enjoy.
So this is your dining room proper. Just one of the many places that you get to sit and eat and hang out with your family, as there are many in this house, but this is special because it's its own little nook. It has beautiful features on the walls, beautiful chandeliers. You have your natural light as well as storage, and you don't have to stay here. Again, this is open concept. You can run around as you wish and interact with family at will, or you could just turn your head and keep eating your pasta. Look at that. You beat me upstairs. Couldn't wait to get to the fun, could you? All right, let's have some fun. So the bedrooms might be where the magic happens. But this is where the fun happens, right? We have our pool table, we have our drinks, we have a full bar behind me, a wine cooler, we have a bar here that's made of natural stone. We could bring our smokes out to the patio right here, and this all leads to another bedroom upstairs. It's a beautiful bedroom with another full bath. And you have all this natural light. It's something that I would want to be a part of. I would want to play here, and I know you would too. So that smoking section I was talking about, well, that's right here. We have a covered patio out here with all this natural light because there's no windows. It's all open air, it's all open space. You can sit and relax and lounge. We have recessed lighting for the night. We also have a double door here that leads back into the game room. It's a great addition to this space, and I think you would love it.
So away from the game room, this is one of my favorite bedrooms in the whole house, besides the master bedroom downstairs, and let me show you why. I really like this double door here. One is the bathroom, one is the closet, and also the French doors that get you out to your covered patio and balcony. Let me show you that right now. Out on the balcony, you get the view of the front of the house, plus you have plenty of room to lounge, relax. You can put a chair here. You can even put a little bed here and kind of relax in one of those big lounge bean bags. You can read books, you can enjoy some music. This is the perfect place to enjoy some fresh air. Your closet isn't yet fully upgraded, so you really get to customize any way you want. You can call a contractor and obviously have a lot more cabinets put in here, a lot more lights. Right now we only have 2 recessed lights in here, but you can obviously add as much as you want. And finally, the bathroom next to this bedroom. This is a full bath. You have a bathtub here and tile that goes all the way to the ceiling. Here, you have a beautiful upgraded shower head, and just take a look at the colors in this room. It's very nice and it's really easy to decorate with. You can obviously have your towels here. You have countertops, upgraded color sink. You have a 6-inch backsplash. This is a perfect bathroom.
Now, there's also some possible tax savings inherent in buying a home. Now, if you itemize your deductions, which means you file Schedule A with your tax returns, you may be able to deduct a portion of the mortgage interest up to certain limits that you're paying on an annual basis. In addition, the property taxes that you're paying on your new home are also going to be deductible if you itemize. But keep in mind that there's a $10,000 limit to state and local taxes, which you can deduct for tax purposes if you do itemize your deductions. Now, since this is such a gorgeous property, you can use at least one of the rooms for business purposes. And if you use it as a home office, there's a whole nother range of tax benefits that's inherent in there. One of those is the fact that you can take depreciation deductions, which can lower your overall tax liability. It could be a huge savings just for the fact that you work from home and use that space exclusively for business on a regular and continuous basis. Now, those are just some of the financial implications to take into account when you're purchasing your home. So feel free to reach out to me at Efros Financial if you have any additional questions, because I'll be glad to help. And now, enjoy the rest of the home tour.
So follow me down the catwalk and follow me to your last bedroom. Not least, but last. This is the last bedroom in the house. Even though it might be the smallest, it still has all the amenities of a luxurious bedroom. And we have surround sound speakers up top, we have recessed lighting, as well as a ton of natural light. We have a full bathroom as well as a walk-in closet. We have all this storage space as an option, and this place is a pleasure to be in. It's not the master, but it's still great. So the first thing I noticed while looking around this bathroom were the mosaic accents. I like how they start right above the sink. The sink also has natural stone, but besides that, this mosaic accent carries on to the shower area. So there's kind of a theme in here. I also like the height of the ceilings in here. A lot of bathrooms that have low ceilings, you feel closed in, but this has natural light, it has space, it still feels luxurious. So this is where you would hang your garbs and sweaters and other fancy clothes. There's plenty of room in here for more furniture, more storage if need be, more shelving. It has its own lighting system. There's a door that fits here that you can close if you'd like to, make it more private, and it really complements the rest of the room.
So welcome to your beautiful backyard. You have 6 individual island steps that bring you to your jacuzzi and your pool, 6 gorgeous, magnificent palm trees, 21 water fountains, and 1 low price for this home to be yours. There's absolutely no greater feeling than enjoying a summer day outside in your covered patio. I absolutely love these medieval chandeliers here, and of course, your fireplace with the brick facade, absolutely gorgeous. And it's right next to your beautiful pool. You can lounge out right here, maybe get a tan, enjoy the beautiful view, the nature, and the serenity of your new built home. And now, for the gem of this whole backyard, and that is the pool house. You can keep everything in there, your pool equipment, your floaties, and everything else you need to have fun in your backyard.
So Alex, this home, after everything is said and done, is about $3.2 million, give or take, depending on how many amenities the person wants. What would you advise them to do in order to buy a house like this?
Well, first things first, all right? Down payment is going to be a huge element. You want to make sure that those funds are available, and you can factor in for anywhere from about 10 or 20% to have available right at the purchase time.
Right.
On top of that, you also want to make sure that you have enough cash flow, meaning income minus expenses, left to cover the property taxes, the mortgage, and all the other costs, because let's remember there's going to be some fixing up that you may have to do, some improvements, redecorating, and all things like that. So we want to make sure there's enough money available for that. At the same time, keeping your emergency fund in place. So certainly it can vary depending on a particular individual's financial situation, but it's always good to sit down with a planner and say, hey, we want to purchase this house. This is the amount of down payment we want to put in. These are the mortgage payments we expect to make, property taxes and so forth. Let's see what's left over, run a projection, and go from there.
All right, guys, so now that you saw the whole entire house, I want to hear what you have to say about it. I want to hear the things that you liked. I want to hear the things that you didn't like. Dan, what did you like about this place?
My favorite part, clearly, is this big outdoor area. I absolutely love the backyard, 6 huge palm trees, oversized pool, you have a jacuzzi, and your own pool house. So you come out of your master bedroom, you open up those doors nice and wide, and you're in your own private backyard, and that's my favorite part.
Oh, it's awesome. It's like your own little private oasis out here, only it's not so little. But what I do want you to do is like and subscribe. And what else, Dan?
And make sure that you let us know if you want to schedule any showings, if you want to see this model or any other model. Also, make sure to hit up Alex Sefros for any CPA advice if you're thinking of owning a house.